I'll call Kweli Kumalo, request that she be subpoenaed. Include Chico Twala, Silo Chico Twala. I'll subpoena her to come to this court.
Who's that?
Sorry, the father of Longa Twala. As a defense witness, Dr. Ivan Koza. He will be subpoenaed to come. Thank you.
Accused number 5 will tell this court that Zongo was never scared of reporting this unlawful activity. It's because Nkani never exchanged any firearm with Gwabini. It never happened. That is why he did not even report it to the police.
One by one.